Hi everyone, David Looms here. Thanks for joining me for this. It's a video to show a nice little piece of code that I've produced. You'll be able to find it on my web shop. I'll put a link in the description of this video. Its purpose in life is to take the individual files that you have to produce if you're using the personal version of Fusion 360 and join them back up into a single NC file ready to run on your machine. There's one caveat to that. You do have to be using my post-processor for Fusion 360 to Tormach's PathPilot. The latest version of that post-processor embeds some comments in the output code in strategic places that make the joining up process possible. So, as an example, I have this test block on the screen at the moment, and you can see it goes through a fairly normal set of operations, from facing it to roughing it out to drilling holes, interpolating and chamfering. It uses 6 different tools, so you would have to post it out one tool's worth at a time, and I've already done that here, and in this file window you can see the individual operations have been posted. So the task is to join them together. So this is where Fusion Fuser comes in. I have it open already. Very simple to use. You simply take the collection of files produced individually and drag them and drop them in that window, and there is the output. I will save that output. I will put it in the same folder, and I'll change the suffix from _6 to _fused. And there, over here in the file window, there's our finished file. Now, if we were to update any one of the individual files at this point, it's very easy to update the final result. You just hit the refresh button there. The individual files have been reread, the output regenerated. Hit the save button, job done. Better than that, I think, you can actually save this whole setup. If I say save project as, and I will call it machine test block, I'll give it the same name and put it in the same folder. And there we have the project file, oops, there. So if I shut Fuser down again, actually close it, and imagine we've gone away, come back another day, change the files, I just double click the .fuse file, a few seconds to wait, and Fuser appears. The list of input files is there, the output file has been regenerated. It already knows where it's to save it, so just click the save button and you have a new version of the output file. So that's it. It's very simple. What it can't do, unfortunately, is put back the rapid moves that have been substituted with feed rate moves. But it does put back automatic tool changes, and it does let you run it all in one sequence. So I hope that's useful to people. If you like it, go and visit the web shop. It's a download from the web shop, and any updates in the future you'll be notified automatically, and they are free downloads if you buy the original. Thanks for watching. If you find this useful, do let me know. Bye for now.